Welcome. For some people, this is going to be a really comfortable way of working, and it's going to feel just like what you do day in and day out. For other people, you may have never worked this way. Today is going to be a little bit about discovery, a little bit about surprise, and I just really hope that everyone walks away with a new idea.
How do you shape what you want? We know what's coming from a technological standpoint, from a generations in the workforce standpoint. So what are we going to do about it?
We're going to start with structured brainstorming and really thinking about some bold ideas, motivations and expectations of Gen Z.
Talking about the 3 best qualities of my generation, I think the first one is that we're really good at working in groups. 2, I think we're getting a lot better at working in high-stress environments. A third one would definitely be our integration of early knowledge into technology.
We are the most tech-savvy, we are extremely hardworking, and we are hyper-competitive, both as consumers and as employees.
We get asked a lot about how they're embracing technology. It's not a question of embracing, it's just pervasive. They don't know a world that's any different.
There's just a shift in how the younger demographic is disconnecting with the older demographic because I never grew up without a smartphone in my hand.
They're not amazed by technology. They don't think technology is awe-inspiring and awesome because to them, technology just feels like Wednesday. It's just normal. But they want the right tools and the right productivity at the right time, and they'll just freely use them.
Technology will help balance your life. Importantly, staying on top of your health, wellness, energy, all of that.
Technology will empower people in the workplace and perform mundane tasks on their behalf.
The investments that we think leadership needs to take to move towards this space is first and foremost making digital tools more streamlined and integrated with each other so there's a very cohesive workplace experience.
Corporations need to realize the amount of responsibility they have over impacting individual lives.
I think the biggest change would be a switch from very formal top-down roles where leadership isn't defined by your role, but how much you're contributing to innovation and creativity in that space. And I think that's a push that Gen Z is bringing with it, especially in technology.
So each new generation that comes into the workforce, I think, brings a really new and different perspective, and businesses are wise to really try to capture those things.
Each generation likes to refresh the world, and it's not such a bad thing.
Including Gen Z in the room and having them be part of the decision-making process.
Get yourself 5 Gen Z mentors and then use what you learn to enact cultural change inside of your organization.
Harnessing the superpower of the younger worker, which is their openness, their fresh perspectives, their creativity. That window of time is really precious. I thought really differently about that after today.
A really big thank you and a round of applause for everyone.
Our job is to see how do we enable that next generation. That's how we get on the right side of the future.